Earth is our home, a small blue dot floating in the vastness of space. Everyone who ever lived, every story ever told, happened right here. As we zoom out, we begin a journey to understand the scale of the universe. The moon is our first stop, about 384,000 kilometers away. If you drove at 100 kilometers per hour, it would take over 160 days to get there. From the moon, Earth looks like a fragile ball in the dark, beautiful and alone. Next is the sun, 150 million kilometers from Earth. Light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us from the sun. A plane flying at 900 kilometers per hour would take 19 years to cover that distance. Yet the sun gives us life from so far away. Mars comes next. At its closest, it's 54.6 million kilometers from Earth, but can stretch to 401 million. A plane would take 50 years to reach it. Exploring Mars is hard because the distance constantly changes. Then we reach Neptune, 4.5 billion kilometers from Earth. Sunlight takes over 4 hours to get there. This marks the edge of our solar system. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, has traveled over 22 billion kilometers. It's the farthest human-made object in space. In 1990, it turned back and took a photo of Earth, a pale blue dot. Carl Sagan reminded us to cherish our tiny home in that vastness. Far beyond lies the Oort cloud, a shell of icy objects. It may extend up to 100,000 astronomical units, almost 2 light years from the Sun. This is where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. The nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, is 4.4 light years away. That's over 41 trillion kilometers. Voyager 1 would take more than 70,000 years to get there. Now we reach our galaxy, the Milky Way, about 100,000 light years wide. It holds hundreds of billions of stars and possibly trillions of planets. Our signals have only reached about 100 light years, a tiny bubble. Beyond that, no one would know we exist. Outside the Milky Way lies intergalactic space, a vast dark ocean. Our galaxy is part of the Local Group, a collection of over 50 galaxies. It spans 10 million light years. Further out is the Virgo supercluster, home to thousands of galaxies. It stretches across 110 million light years. Even larger is Laniakea, our true galactic home. It spans 500 million light years and contains the Virgo supercluster. At its center is the Great Attractor, pulling galaxies toward it. And finally, the observable universe to 93 billion light years wide. But the universe is only 13.8 billion years old. How? Because space itself is expanding, stretching distances. Some regions are moving away faster than light, forever beyond our reach. So, what we see might be just a tiny part of a much bigger universe. There may always be stars and galaxies we'll never know, forever lost in the endless expansion of space.